Hi students, I hope you all watched the short video that I shared with you in the group. It is all about food variety and source. We all need to eat food several times during the day. When we eat food for breakfast in the morning, as lunch in the afternoon, and supper or dinner at night before going to bed. So food is very necessary, very important. Food is a necessity for the body because it gives us energy to work and play. When we eat food, it gives us energy to work, to study, and to play. It helps us to grow taller. It helps to repair damaged cells in the body. When we fall sick, when we have proper food, when we take nutritions, then we become well. What do you mean by substances? Materials. The food we consume has some useful substances, materials in them that are called nutrients. Nutrients means what? Nutrients is source of nourishment or which gives us energy. So here we are going to learn the different group of food, different types of food, different categories of food. So the food we eat can be grouped broadly into three categories. So today we are going to learn the three categories of food. First one is energy giving food, second one is bodybuilding foods, and the third one is productive food. So the first one is energy giving food. Food items like bread, potato, rice, and maize give you energy to work and play and are called energy giving food. So the food that we take, that we eat, gives us energy, and then it becomes energy giving foods. What are those? Like bread, potato, rice, and maize. Those food gives us energy. Wheat grains can be ground make bread, roti, noodles, etc. Rice is eaten by over half the people in the world with every meal. We may eat rice in the afternoon or in the evening, at least once a day. It is eaten as plain boiled rice to make idli and dosa, etc. Wheat, rice, and maize are called cereals. So these foods give us energy and therefore they are called energy giving foods. What are those? Like bread, potato, rice, and maize. And the next one is bodybuilding foods. Food items like pulses, dals, fish, cheese, and milk help us to grow and they are called bodybuilding food. What are they? Like pulses, that means dals, fish, cheese, and milk. When you take all this, they help us to build our body. It is for this reason that your parents insist that you eat enough dal and drink milk every day. And therefore, our parents tell us to eat enough dal as well as to drink milk every day. So the fact of are called staple food. Okay, so the next category of food is protective food. What is protective food? Like vegetables and fruits protect us from falling sick. So we have to consume, we have to eat more vegetables and fruits in order that we don't fall sick, and are called protective food. So the food which protect us from falling sick are called protective food. Other than these, our body also requires what? Water. We have to drink enough water every day. Half the water you need daily comes from the fruits and vegetables you eat, and therefore we have to eat more of fruits and vegetables. Please try not to avoid eating fruits and vegetables, mainly vegetables. The other half comes from the water we drink. So half water that the body needs is taken from the fruits and vegetables that we eat, and half water comes from the water we drink. So we must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. You ask yourself whether you drink. We have to drink enough water, like 6 to 8 glasses. Cucumber and onions can be eaten raw. We can eat raw carrot without boiling. Cucumber as well, and even onion. They can be eaten without cooking or without boiling. So some vegetables like ladyfinger, brinjal and potato need to be cooked before eating. We cannot simply eat brinjal without boiling it, without cooking it. The same way raw potato can we eat? No. So those foods should be cooked and eaten. We need to wash fruits and vegetables always, that when you eat raw, well, before eating them. So when you want to eat any raw vegetables like carrot, onion and cucumber, we have to wash them nicely and eat. I hope you understand the 3 different categories of food. First one we saw energy giving food, second one bodybuilding foods, and the third one is productive food. So you read the lesson until productive food and then fill in the blanks. This is for your homework today. Thank you very much. We will see the rest in the next class.